Hi guys. Welcome back to our channel. Xiaomi subsidiary Redmi unveiled its latest phones with the 10X series. We get a 10X 5G and the 10X Pro 5G, as well as the 10X 4G, which is a rebranded Redmi Note 9 for the Chinese market. The new 10X 5G and 10X Pro bring dual mode and dual SIM 5G connectivity, AMOLED displays, Dimensity 820 chipsets, and highly competitive price tags. Upfront, both the 10X 5G and its Pro sibling come with 6.57-inch AMOLED displays with full HD plus resolution and waterdrop notches. The 10X 5G has a 16-megapixel selfie shooter, while the Pro ups it to 20 megapixel. The panel on both also comes with a 180Hz touch sampling rate and Gorilla Glass 5 protection. Around the back, both phones come with a 48-megapixel main shooter and 8-megapixel ultra-wide snapper, but the Pro adds an 8-megapixel telephoto module with 3x optical zoom and optical image stabilization, as well as a 5-megapixel macro cam. Under the hood we have the MediaTek Dimensity 820 chipset with 8GB RAM on the 10X 5G and 8GB RAM on the Pro. Storage ranges from 64GB to 256GB. The software front is covered by MIUI 12 on top of Android 10. Both phones come with 4520 mAh batteries with 22.5 watts fast charging on the 10X 5G and 33 watts on the 10X Pro. Both come with an IP53 rating and headphone jacks, and the Pro also gains NFC. The Redmi 10X series will be offered in blue, pink, gold and white colors. The 10X 5G starts at Chinese yuan 1,599, $224. 664GB, making it the most affordable 5G phone on the market. There's also a 128GB for Chinese yuan 1,799, $252. As well as a 128GB trim for Chinese yuan 2,099, $294. And a 256GB model for Chinese yuan 2,399, $336. Official sales begin on June 1st. The 10X Pro will be offered an 128GB for Chinese yuan 2,229, $322. And a 256GB configuration going for Chinese yuan 2,599, $364. It goes on sale starting June 6. The Redmi 10X 4G already up for sale starting at just Chinese yuan 999, $140 in its 128GB trim. There's also a 128GB model for Chinese yuan 1,199, $168. Now what do you say about this video? Let me know your answers and opinions in the comment box below. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching guys. See you in an interesting topic. Peace.